Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's Fun Friday video. Today we are going to be doing another eyelash extension video. This one, I found this Falscara. It comes with the lash wisps, the glue, the sealer, and the applicator. And this costed $18.97 at Walmart. So we are going to give it a try. However, I did find these. You can buy these after you buy this, because you can buy all of these things separately. But I wanted to get the kit the first time just to test it out. But I did like these lashes better. These ones I got are the lengthening ones that come in the kit. But I really want to try these. These are lifting ones, and they are just a little bit blacker and have a little bit more curl. So we're going to use these lashes this time, and I'm sure I'll use these later on. I don't know, unless I really, really love these, but I think I'm going to really, really love these. So I have on a full face of makeup without eyes. I haven't put anything on my eyes because I want these to actually stay on for like at least a week or two. That would be great. Longer would be better. And that way we can test out this glue really well and see how long it will last. And then we can try it with other, actually this is so inexpensive though, it's like you don't even need to try it with. The Ardell is the ones that I usually use, but these ones look so awesome. I just can't wait. So let's get started. So I am going to open this up, show you what's inside. I just couldn't believe this price. And these are like $19.99 everywhere else, but they were $1 cheaper at Walmart. And since everywhere else is closed, I got mine at Walmart because I can't seem to remember to place an order with Ulta. And actually, I don't even know what to get. I looked on Ulta at the new stuff, new arrivals, and I really couldn't find anything that I wanted. I found some tinted moisturizer that I was gonna get, but that's the only thing I put in my cart. And then I didn't even order that. Then I'm gonna read you guys the directions, what it says to do. It says, and these are the things. They're kind of flimsy, so I may use these. I'm gonna start with these and see if they're good enough, and then I may switch to these because these are just a little heavy dutier. But these ones seem like they look like they'll work fine. So I'm gonna try them, and then I'll have these on standby. Anyways, it says, and it shows the bond side is black, and that's what I already read the directions, they're on the box. So, and the seal side is white, so it's like you can't mess up and put the wrong one on. So anyways, this is what the directions say. Brush a light coat of bond on your natural lashes. A little goes a long way. That's step one. Step two, wisp under lashes. Okay, use the included applicator to pluck a wisp from the tray as shown, which I don't see where it's shown. I lost my place. As shown, pick up a wisp from the middle / outer end for optimal control and application. One by one, gently place the wisps underneath the base of your natural lashes. Step 3 is dab a thin coat of seal under the wisps. This is the final touch and eliminates the sticky residue and holds the Falscara wisps in place. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we do is we put a coat of, well, first we got to take these wisps out of the box. So these are the wisps I'm going to use. And these ones, like I said, are lifting wisps, which means they just have a little bit more curl. And since my lashes have 0 curl, I like them. I just feel like you can see them better if you get the curled ones, because that's what I like so much about the Ardell lashes. the Wispies is because they have so much, oops, that's not the one I was going to use. They have so much curl to them. And I always turn my lashes and set them in front of me, just like the eyes, so I know where to put them. Instead of having them face me, I turn them this way. All right, and one thing that it doesn't say to do on there, but I'm going to do it, and I'll show you it in just a second, is I'm going to put a coat on my lashes, and then on each of the Wispies, before I put it on, I'm going to put a little bit of the bond on it, just because I want them to last really long. All right, so I'm going to put a coat on my lashes. And I'm going to lift it up so that I get it really close. And then I'm going to pick up this lash and I'm going to put some glue on the top of it just to give it a little more bonding power so it sticks really good. I don't know if there's enough glue on that. It doesn't seem like there is. Oh, there. Uh-oh. All right. We're just going to keep going. Oh, I forgot to put glue on this. I don't know, they seem like they're going on pretty crooked. Okay, get some more glue on here. Well, they're really comfortable. I can't feel them at all. So that's good. Yeah, it's getting a little harder the closer into the corner of my eye I get. There we go. Okay, one more on this eye. Yeah, that one's too far in. I think that I should take that one off because I can feel it. Yes, I would say that don't put the last one on. The one that, because it's, for my eye anyways, it's too far in. And I can feel it and I don't want to feel it. And I can't feel any of these. These ones are all great. And these tweezers are just fine. Or this applicator. So I just want these to... Now I'm going to go ahead and put the bond on this side. And it sit on the bottom. So I'm going to take the white one. And I'm just going to put a line of that. I think they look pretty. I don't think they're that curled though. What do you guys think? I think they're pretty. I'm going to now put on the other eye, and I'll probably fast forward through that since you guys already watched one eye. And then I'll come back and show you. And then I'm only gonna have had these on for like 2 days when this goes up. So I won't be able to tell you how long they lasted, but I will in future videos. Watch for them. You'll know when they come off. Okay, I'm gonna put the rest of them on. So I left one off on both eyes because my eyes are smaller than this. So now I'm going to put the seal on the other side. And that is it. I feel like these curled better. Maybe not. Maybe it just looks that way from far away. I think they look pretty good for $18.97. What do you guys think? And I don't have any eyeshadow or eyeliner or anything on. So we'll do that. And I'll come back. How's that? I'll put some eyeshadow on and I'll come back. Okay guys, I'm back. I put on some eye makeup. So what do you think? I think they look amazing. I think they look really, really good, especially for 20 bucks. I am going to wear them as long as they'll stay on. They are super comfortable. I can't feel them at all. And I will let you know in the comments. Probably not when this is up, because I only have a couple days to get this one up. So I will let you know in the comments as soon as I start falling off or whatever, my thoughts on these. But so far, I think they're great. I'm thinking that I probably didn't need to buy these curly ones because they don't look that curly to me now. I probably could have just went with the ones that come in the kit. And this is the kit, and this is what we are testing out today. So I will let you know in the comments when I know how long they last, but right now I can tell you they look great. And the price is perfect. They're easy to apply. And hopefully the glue is excellent because you can buy the glue separately. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. Hit that little notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And leave in the comments what else you'd like to see me do. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!